Hi, it's Anna from Weekdone, and in this series, we discuss OKR challenges and how to fix them. Here is a good one. We want to improve teamwork and collaboration, but we are struggling with the concept of shared OKRs. How do we align our priorities across the company? There could be two types of objectives in the OKR tree: overarching objectives for the whole company and functional objectives for a specific team. An overarching objective defines a big problem that can only be solved cross functionally. For example, improve early stage experience for the new clients, or improve brand awareness to boost new clients acquisition. Now, clearly, a big area like clients acquisition requires effort from sales, marketing, product development, design, operations, and possibly other teams too. So here, you need to decide if you are going to have one OKR for all teams, or every team will have their own OKR to solve an overarching problem. This is a simple decision. If your company has less than 8 people and each person is wearing several hats, go for cross-functional OKRs, so one OKR for all teams. Pause the video to check the example. To drive these results, you need to involve people from different areas of expertise. Once the OKR is set, make sure to agree on a day and time to have OKR check-in meetings with everyone involved in making it happen. We have a separate video on this topic. If your company has more than 8 people, you should have both company-wide overarching objectives and team-specific OKRs. Let's say our company-wide overarching objective is still to improve brand awareness to boost new clients acquisition. How do we write team OKRs that align with this direction? Marketing objective could be to increase content output to build topic authority around relevant keywords. Sales objective could be to expand early stage outreach channels to find new audiences. Now, these two objectives will have completely different key results because they are focusing on different aspects of a larger problem. Pause here to take a look at the examples. Once functional OKRs are set, you can link them up to an overarching objective, and this way, lower level OKRs become key results to the higher level objectives. This approach is what mature companies should be aiming towards. This is how you align the company and determine the ownership of the OKRs. I hope this helps, but let us know if you have any follow-up questions.